Local news for Monday the 15th of June. Wairarapa police are asking for assistance from the public after at 1:30 a.m. on Saturday morning a Carterton resident was woken by a knock at the door and confronted in the hallway by four men, one brandishing a long-barreled firearm and another holding a hammer and demanding property and cash. Whilst one suspect could not be described other than wearing dark clothing, the remaining three had bandanas over their lower faces and also dark clothing. One is described as a stocky and tall, another tall and slim, and a third small and thin. Police are asking anyone who saw a vehicle in the Frederick Street area between 1:30 and 2 a.m. on Saturday to contact Wairarapa Police. The Carterton Daffodil Festival is set to return in September. The biggest event on the Carterton calendar, it attracts around 10,000 people to the district for activities such as daffodil picking and a massive market day. And the Masterton District Council Communications team have picked up 2 awards at the recent Public Relations Institute of New Zealand Awards held late last week. Finally, in sport and football from the weekend, the Wairarapa United men have gone down 3-2 to stop out, while the women have gone down 4-2 to Wellington United Diamonds. Kia ora for local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.